Here is the quick tutorial on how to book a conference from Parent Portal. Log into Parent Portal. Click on Book a Conference. Select the student. The school is selected by default. If more than one school, then you have option to select the school. Select the conference. Select a conference lead. Select the conference day and the conference time. The text message reminder is an optional field. If required, turn on the toggle. Enter the cell phone number and select the cell phone provider. Click on Book Conference. The conference booking has been created successfully.